Karibu! Dive into stories that inspire, educate, and connect you to deeper knowledge every single day. Subscribe and like.
The village burst into celebration, vibrant traditional attire swirling to the rhythmic drum beats. Laughter and song filled the air as Kamau, now revered, stood proudly among his people. The elders, eyes shining with gratitude, nodded in approval, acknowledging the restored harmony. The Mugumo tree stood tall in the distance, symbolizing resilience. United in spirit and purpose, the Kikuyu people danced together, rejoicing in the renewed sense of belonging and community. As the flames crackled and danced, the warmth wrapped around Kamau and his people like a protective embrace. The flickering light mirrored the fiery spirit within their hearts, igniting a renewed sense of hope and unity. The air was thick with the scent of burning wood, the earthy aroma mingling with the whispers of the cooling breeze. Faces glowed with reverence, eyes tracing the embers that floated skyward, as if carrying their prayers to Ngai. Kamau's voice rose, steady and strong, recounting his journey to the attentive crowd. Each word was a thread, weaving their shared history into the present, binding them closer, as the night sky watched over them, a silent witness to their enduring legacy. As Kamau kneels on the summit, the cool mountain breeze whispers through the air, carrying with it the hopes of his ancestors. His fingers sink into the rich, fertile soil, cradling the Mugumo sapling as if it were a fragile dream. The snow-capped peaks stand as eternal guardians, witnessing this moment of triumph. Exhaustion weighs on Kamau, yet his heart swells with serene determination. The air is crisp, filled with the scent of earth and sky. With each breath, Kamau feels the pulse of life, a sacred connection renewed. Here, at the peak of the world, the bond between land and spirit is restored, a testament to the enduring spirit of the Kikuyu. Kamau ascends the rocky slopes with each careful step, his heartbeat echoing the ancient drumbeats of his ancestors. The air is thin and crisp, whispering encouragement from the spirits above. His sandals grip the rugged terrain, every stride a testament to his unwavering resolve. In his hands, the Mugumo sapling feels alive, a promise of hope and renewal. As he climbs higher, the landscape below unfurls, a tapestry of greens and browns, the earth's pulse beneath the sky's watchful gaze. The mountain peak looms ahead, a sacred threshold between past and future. Kamau's breath mingles with the cold air, each exhale a silent prayer, each inhale a pledge to his people. The snow-capped guardians stand tall, witnessing his journey, as Kamau reaches the summit. Here, where sky kisses earth, he pauses, enveloped in profound purpose, ready to plant not just a tree, but the seeds of his people's enduring spirit.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing.